Did you know a phone repair technician once saved American democracy by risking her life? Sarah Kim was fixing smartphones in Washington, D.C. when she discovered something terrifying. Phones belonging to Supreme Court justices contained sophisticated spyware designed to influence major constitutional decisions. Foreign operatives were blackmailing America's highest judges to manipulate our laws. Sarah faced an impossible choice: expose the truth and face death threats, or stay silent and protect her disabled veteran brother. They offered her millions to keep quiet. Instead, she chose courage over cash and contacted the FBI. Her evidence prevented foreign manipulation of the Supreme Court and saved constitutional democracy. Sometimes one person's integrity can protect an entire nation.